Windows play a bigger role in your home than you might realize. In Taylor, MI, where winters are cold, summers can be humid, and weather shifts quickly, old or failing windows can quietly drive up energy bills, reduce comfort, and even affect your home's value. If you're wondering whether it's time for a window upgrade, here are the most common signs Taylor homeowners should watch for. Rising energy bills without a clear reason. If your heating and cooling costs keep climbing despite normal usage, your windows may be part of the problem. Older windows often lack proper insulation and allow air leaks around the frames or glass. During Michigan winters, that means warm air escapes and cold drafts sneak in. In summer, cooled air leaks out while heat enters your home. New energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and can significantly reduce monthly utility costs. Drafts and cold spots near windows. Feeling a chill when you walk past a window, even when it's closed, is a strong sign of failure. Drafts usually indicate worn seals, warped frames, or single-pane glass that can no longer block outdoor air. In Taylor homes, where winter winds are common, this issue can make certain rooms uncomfortable and harder to heat. Condensation between glass panes, fog, or moisture trapped between window panes means the seal has broken. Once this happens, the window loses its insulating properties and becomes far less effective. Beyond reduced efficiency, trapped moisture can eventually lead to mold growth or damage to surrounding window frames. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. Windows should operate smoothly. If yours stick, won't stay open, or require force to lock, age and structural wear are likely to blame. Wood frames can swell or rot over time, while older hardware may corrode. This isn't just inconvenient, it can be a safety and security concern for your home. Increased outside noise. If street traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activities seem louder than they used to, your windows may no longer provide proper sound insulation. Older or single-pane windows do little to block noise. Newer replacement windows with multi-pane glass help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, something many Taylor homeowners appreciate. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, peeling paint, rotting wood, or damaged frames are clear signs your windows are past their prime. Even small issues can worsen over time, allowing moisture to seep into walls and cause costly structural damage. Addressing these problems early with replacement windows can prevent larger repairs later. Faded furniture and flooring. If your furniture, curtains, or flooring are fading unevenly, harmful UV rays may be entering through outdated windows. Modern replacement windows are designed to block much of this UV exposure while still allowing natural light, helping protect your home's interior. Your home feels dated. Old windows can make an otherwise well-maintained home look outdated. Replacing them instantly improves curb appeal and can increase resale value. For homeowners in Taylor considering future selling plans, updated windows are often seen as a strong selling feature. When replacement makes sense. If you're noticing several of these signs, replacing your windows is likely a smart investment. New windows improve comfort, enhance energy efficiency, boost home value, and reduce maintenance concerns, especially important in Michigan's demanding climate. Upgrading your windows isn't just about appearance, it's about creating a more comfortable, efficient, and secure home for you and your family. If your windows are showing their age, now may be the perfect time to consider replacement and enjoy the long-term benefits it brings to your Taylor, MI home.